Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make images bigger on Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I insert an image to make bigger. At first, you have to go insert menu. Click this. Now you can see here are image option. Now you can see here also upload from computer. Now go to your image file location and insert an image. Select this image and click open. Now you can see I insert an image. Now I make this image bigger. Select this image, then go to image option. Now you can see here are many options. Now I choose size and rotation. Now you can see here are white size and height size. Now I increase this height and white size to make this image bigger. Now you can see I make image bigger from Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.